Here's an overview and a close-up look of the Traptor. This is a rat trap or chipmunk trap. I can't imagine wanting to trap a chipmunk. They're so cute. But let me show you everything you need to know about this so that when you get it, you can use it right away. The first thing you're going to notice is it's a very simple design. These are very small, lightweight, and they're super easy to use. If you want to open this up to see what's inside, you're going to press on the tab here. There's one on each side, and this just flips open like that. So not much to it. So easy to clean this thing if you do catch something, easy to dispose of. You don't have to actually touch the animal, which is great. Here is the actual trap. You can see it is a big mouth, a very big mouth. This is the trigger so that when they put pressure on this, that's what sets this off. And here's everything you need to know. So to set this up, you're going to close that, keep that closed. You want this to be up, the spring part to be up. And on the bottom here, you're going to unscrew this. So screw it clockwise, and then this can be pulled out. And this is where you put your bait. So most people just use peanut butter. You put your peanut butter in there or whatever it is that you want to use. And then you're going to line this up, twist it clockwise, and it's locked in place. Now you're going to set this up against a wall or a path where the rats seem to go. And then you're going to push this down. You can do this with your foot if you don't want to use your hand, but I'll show you how it looks using just your hand. You squeeze this down, you can see those teeth going up, and you keep pressing until it clicks into place, and you'll hear a click. And that's it, it's set. And when they go inside to get the peanut butter, that little tray that goes across right there, when they put pressure on that, that's what sets off the trap. And you'll know that it's been set. There's two reasons. One, this won't be down, it'll be up. And B, or two, you'll see part of the rat sticking out the back because their whole body doesn't go inside of this one. And then to dispose of it, you simply pick this up and you squeeze this, and that'll release the teeth, and then you can dump it in the trash or wherever you're going to do it. If you set this like I just did and you want to unset it, what I do is if you press this down, hold it down, and then use something like this, just be very careful, and you press on that lever, now it'll release and you can put those teeth back down. So there you go. These things are super easy to use, very convenient. And if you're looking for a way to control rodents around your property, I highly recommend this. If you'd like to check the current price, there is a link in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please hit like on this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.